He's acting up inside, starting gate. All set again. And the rope early lead is taken by Madame Isabel from the outside. And moving up on the inside is Holy Minstrel. And Profit Sharing, Wilkowski, and American Ruler. The mid-back stretch, Holy Minstrel by half a length, followed by Madame Isabel on the outside in second. And Profit Sharing running in third. Galing Galing moving up on the inside. And Wilkowski, American Ruler. The far turn, it is still Holy Minstrel by half a length, followed by Madame Isabel on the outside in second, and closing in third is Galing Galing, and on the outside is Wilkowski. The last bend for home, it is still Holy Minstrel by half a length, followed by Madame Isabel. Wilkowski moving up on the farther outside, and on the inside is Galing Galing. The top of the stairs, 4 horses sparring out for the lead. Wilkowski on the outside, Madame Isabel, Holy Minstrel, and Galing Galing moving up on the inside. Wilkowski on the outside, and Madame Isabel moving up on the inside. Galing Galing. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Wilkowski, Madame Isabel, Holy Minstrel, Galing Galing, American Ruler, Profit Sharing, and Rosemary.
Nanalo na rin.